Good evening. Leading our news tonight, New Zealand and Niue have identified a set of common priority areas for ongoing cooperation and commit to building deeper connections. This was the outcome in a statement of partnership signed on April 26 this year between New Zealand's Parliamentary Undersecretary to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Fletcher Tabuteau, and Niue's Minister for Natural Resources, Dalton Tagelangi. Over the period April 2019 to April 2023, New Zealand and Niue together will in partnership strengthen the capability of Niue's public institutions and cooperation between Niue and New Zealand institutions. Niue's sustainable economic development aligned with Niue's development priorities, including through support for Niue's tourism industry, infrastructure and private sector. Work together to protect and maintain Niue's taonga and environment and manage the environmental and climate change impacts of economic growth. The two governments will collaborate to improve educational outcomes for all Niueans, focusing on transferable knowledge and skills and vocational pathways. Collaborate to achieve better health outcomes for all Niueans, including improved health workforce capability, strengthened connections between health systems, and access to quality health services. On peace and security, amongst other commitments, the two countries will work together to identify and respond to shared security challenges in the region, including efforts to combat illicit drugs. Works have started on the establishment of the Manatua cable on Niue. Seen here, works were carried out at Seikena from last week. The cable landing station is located in proximity to the BCN transmission tower at Seikena, at which point the cable will be taken down to the beach connecting to the beach manhole and reef for the submarine cable. The survey of the whole route started in April to May this year. The Manatua cable system will connect from Tahiti, Cook Islands, then Niue to Samoa. The current roadworks at Sir Roberts Wharf is to ensure safe navigation for boats and trailers. This is according to the Director for Transport, Sonia Tagelangi. It is understood the curb by the fisheries building going down to the wharf is hazardous for some of the bigger boats and trailers, with primary focus given to widening the area. The contract for the works has been given to Doug the Builder, known as DTB, with the intention for completion before arrival of the cargo boat this week. Tagelangi added that the work has been funded by Niue's government. Swanson Supermarket celebrated its first year of anniversary today. The supermarket officially opened for business on the 16th of June in 2018 and officially traded on this day, 18th June last year. This morning, the supermarket management and staff members marked the occasion with free breakfast provided to customers, along with quizzes and prize giveaways. Manager Amanda Peter says since the opening of the supermarket at the complex, it has been a busy and challenging year for the business. She says it has been more profitable compared to the previous location, as the current complex is larger and offers a wide range of products. Peter says Swanson continues to strive in improving its services. Representatives from the Rescue Coordination Centre, Maritime New Zealand, International Hydrographic Organisation, Maritime Safety Information are on the island to assist Niue's Maritime Transport Division with maritime safety information training, in addition to reviewing previous developments and training under funding by New Zealand Aid, with the Pacific Region Initiative, as well as obligations under specific conventions such as the Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS. The training was held yesterday, while largely for the National Coordinator Lindsay Tagelangi, the training embraced all key stakeholders in order to increase understanding and awareness of the important contribution in maintaining communication channels and timely distribution of information for all maritime users, such as navigational warnings. And that's it for BCN News tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good night.